Gorakhpur is all set to host a three-day Mahotsav in Yogi Adityanath's former Lok Sabha constituency, where he is also the head priest at the Gorakhnath temple. All the fanfare in the same constituency, remember, where several children lost their lives in the BRD hospital due to the lack of oxygen supply. This incident clearly exposed how the healthcare system was in an abysmal state in the region. While the Yogi government did not seem to have enough funds to better their hospitals, they're all set to host a three-day event. They're going to splurge a whopping 33 lakhs on cultural program, including a Bhojpuri night and a Bollywood night. This at par with the Safai Fest that the previous Akhilesh government used to organize.
पहली बात तो ये कि गोरखपुर महोत्सव कोई नया प्रारंभ नहीं किया जा रहा है। ये पिछली सरकारों के समय से होता आया है। पिछले वर्ष केवल एक वर्ष नहीं हुआ, उसके पहले से होता आ रहा है। और बजट की बात तो मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, जितना बजट पहले रहा होगा शायद उसके ऊपर नहीं होगा, ऐसा मेरा अनुमान है। लेकिन बजट कितना है मैं जानकारी नहीं दे सकता। ऐसे लोग जो एक सांस्कृतिक शुचिता के साथ में जो परंपरागत तरीके से गोरखपुर का महोत्सव पहले से होता आया है, इसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है।
There were various mahotsavs which were being carried out in UP much before that, but the strange thing is that these are the same people and the same party which were raising questions on the Saifai Mahotsav, which was not just a cultural event, but there were sports, there was encouragement of youth competitions, and today I think they have given 33 lakh rupees already from the government exchequer to celebrate the Gorakhpur Mahotsav. So I would really like to ask them, because that was still being conducted by a committee from other funds. So why are they using the government money to promote something which I don't know what they are going to promote, so we'll have to wait and see. But the questions which they are raising on everyone else, I wonder what they'll say now.
It's 3 days of packed entertainment for the residents of Gorakhpur as 3-day Gorakhpur festival takes off today, that is the 11th of January. Now this is for the first time that preparations at such a grand scale have been made for the Gorakhpur festival, which used to happen earlier, but this time it is special for the residents of Gorakhpur because their 5-time MP Yogi Adityanath is now also the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. But questions definitely being raised on the kind of money that is being pumped in for making this Gorakhpur Mahotsav a grand success. About rupees 33 lakh were initially allotted by the Culture Department of the UP government for this festival. But then again, rupees 1 crore were again given in by the government because this festival required more money for the event being held here. Now questions also being raised and in fact parallels being drawn between the Saifai Mahotsav, which used to happen earlier, and now this Gorakhpur Mahotsav, which has started with such fanfare here in Gorakhpur. Earlier, the Akhilesh Yadav government was in dock because they were celebrating in Saifai in 2013, around the time the victims of Muzaffarnagar riots were reeling, under cold wave there, under the open sky. And now this time around, since there have been a number of deaths of children in the BRD Medical College in Gorakhpur, wherein perhaps the budget for healthcare wasn't enough, and so therefore people directly comparing it with the kind of money that is being splurged out here.